DJA TV.
Better don land for all who plan to stay the UK after they finish their studies for there. My betterlicious somebody wey know every hello, I carry am for you. How your side now? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time wey you take see this video. This na DJM TV daily news update. That your one-stop channel where they give you all the breaking news the way they happen inside Nigeria and all around the world. We want thank you wey you don take dey watch also since for this special TV channel. But in case you never subscribe all the while, make you do so to subscribe. And if this not the first time when you dey see any of our videos, I beg, make you don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share this video. Now, so make we just jump enter the matter where they play for inside town, where we carry come give una for inside our daily news update. The United Kingdom Embassy don decide to say international students, including Nigeria, fit start to dey work for UK after they don finish their school. Well, I know say normally if you go UK, you go school. When you finish your school, future carry you come, and you go do wetin, go back to your country. But now so wetin UK dey talk now be say they don announce and say they don open their country up for international students wey wan work for inside the country after they don finish their course of study for either bachelor degree level or maybe master's degree or even PhD, and any degree wey they call, anything they call do, any educational thing wey they call do. Once they finish am, dem go fit start to dey work for inside the country. This one dey come after the British authorities come announce to say they wan open wetin they call graduate routes for international students, including Nigeria, to start to dey apply from on the 1st of July 2021. The authorities say this new system wey they call graduate route, so it go allow the UK to retain the brightest and the best international students to continue to dey contribute to the society and their economy after they don finish their study for the UK. This thing wey they call graduate route, so it go allow students wey dey on this graduate route to be able to work or to look for work after they don finish their studies for a maximum period of 2 years or 3 years of people wey call do PhD. You know the matter. So people go say we never understand wetin dey sup. Now the graduate route go work for all corners of the UK, so you no get this thing. In fact, some communities say for England, Scotland, Wales, and North Ireland fit benefit from the talented people there wey decide to stay after their studies. Now, the Minister for Future Borders and Immigration, Kelvin Foster, now talk this auto say the UK they wan rebuild from the global pandemic wey don happen. Say they want the world brightest talent for their country. Say they wan pursue the world brightest talent, they will come pursue career for the highest level of business, science, art, and technology to see the United Kingdom as a natural place where they go fit fulfill their dreams. Open at the year wetin dey sup now soon. They want the brightest and best talent from every country wey come their side come study. Once they discover say bakan this one a better asset to them, they go sometimes maybe they go even come ask you say you wan stay, you come say you wan stay, you like find work, they no go pursue you. Unlike before, e be like say no matter wetin you take graduate for there, you go dey go back to your country wey you for come. But now they talk say they want make you wey know book, you wey go their side, you come know book, you graduate finish. They want make you know say if you wan pursue career for any side, business, science, or art, make you know say the United Kingdom na be the best place for you. So if like say that they wan begin compete with some other countries like Canada, wey wan dey retain all these bright talents, you know what they talk now. So some people go down and say wetin we come need as international student to fit apply for this graduate route wey they dey talk about. Well, they say international students must all complete their eligible course wey dem come take for UK higher education system provider with their better record wey show say dem no do anyhow as dem come the UK since when dem enter there o. Dem comply with the government immigration requirements. They never arrest you, you no misbehave, you no run go another place, you no use your visa take do. E get laws wey dem put for ground before. If you obey all those laws during your educational pursuit, after the educational pursuit you come pass, then you go fit apply for this graduate route. Now the minister for future affairs Oga Kevin Foster come talk say dis changes dem wey dey come so wey dem dey announce na to make sure say once international students don come UK come receive better standard qualification from any of their world leading educational institutions, say dem go fit easily secure the status wey dem need to continue to dey live, to work and to fulfill their dreams for inside the United Kingdom. Well, other things wey we need to know about this graduate route be say, dem say the graduate route, you no need to don get job offer before you go fit apply. You say normally you wan go UK, you dey go find work, you go don apply from where you dey, dem go don give you the work before you fit move. Na so dem dey do people wey go school before. But now dem talk say even if dem never give you job offer, you fit still apply for this graduate route. And nothing like get minimum salary requirement wey you fit make you stay back. Any amount wey dem wan pay you for the work wey you wan work, e go qualify you for this graduate route. And say dem no caps on number, so no minimum salary requirement, no caps on number. And dem say graduates wey dey under this route go dey allowed to work flexibly. You fit change your job, you fit develop your career as you want. If anything wey concern work, na you go decide wetin you wan do with your time. Nobody go come tell you wetin you go do. And dem say the new route go help government to achieve their plan wey dem don set out for their international strategy. For this strategy so, international educational strategy, dem dey aim say by 2030, dem go don get international students of over 600,000 wey dey for higher education inside the UK. And dem say this graduate route na be wetin go fit help dem achieve this plan. Also, this new development dey come as the government also dey launch their tier over plan to add another immigration route wey go help startups and fast growing firms to dey recruit talent wey dem need to innovate and to grow. You see some of these businesses dem, most of the international students wey dem get go fit handle some of their startup businesses for that side, and dem know say dem need dem. Now na im make dem dey put this new law. Anyway, as also part of this graduate route, you fit say, what about me wey no go school for UK, I no go fit apply? Dem say yes, you go fit apply. Dem say people wey be highly skilled migrants go fit apply as long as you don get job offer. So if you no go school for them, you wan apply for where you dey, as long as you get job offer from any recognized high growth firm, you go fit qualify for visa without the need for sponsorship or for any other person wey dey call third party endorsement. Dis na the new level wey the UK don carry now. Dem say na wetin dem wan do be this. Dem wan retain bright talent, dem wan retain sharp minds, so that go fit help dem, because you know say during this koro wahala, dem lose many talents dem wey dem get. Many people leg over for the matter. So dem say dem wan grow back their talent base for UK. So my country people, na wetin the UK don decide say dem wan do be this. If you go school for there, you know book, in fact you see you say you be star, your talent na, in fact you dey highly skilled, you be professional for wetin you dey do, dem go retain you, dem go allow you to work for them. So far you no dey break their law. No, so those people dem dey follow rules and regulation well. As long as you no break their rules and regulation, no wahala, you go fit apply for work. Even if you never get the work, as long as you don indicate interest say I like work for UK, dem go allow you stay for inside their country. Now wetin una think about this matter? Because now different countries don dey come up with immigration laws, immigration rules wey go allow people from Nigeria and all over the world, other African countries and some other countries dem, to fit stay inside their own country on the basis of talent and education. Na dey hear the matter so, on the basis of talent and education. Meanwhile, for inside Nigeria here, it's like the government no dey even dey recognize say some of all these people sef, they even get talent at all. They no dey recognize am. Wetin they even dey just dey see the youth say all youths are fraudsters, all youths are lazy youth, all youths of Nigeria they're not serious with the life wey they come live. Meanwhile, other countries dey open their doors, dey open their borders for this same so-called lazy youth for inside Nigeria to come help them grow their economy, to come help them better their country, especially after this koro pandemic. You dey see the way the matter dey go now so. May not bless and let me talk for the matter. How you say reason the matter? It makes sense, abi. UK don open border. That means say many of us go fit travel, abi. Now, concerning this issue, one thing wey Nigerian government and in fact government of different African countries need to know say our youths we dey highly skilled, we dey highly intelligent, we dey fit adapt. In fact, our educational system for sometimes dey even dey favour us because the same Nigerian youth wey be say I dey for Nigeria, e no fit excel academically for you. That same person go abroad, wey be say dey block then dey bribe lecturer, e go pass. That person go come out with flying colors. That's to say something dey wrong with the educational system for here. And then secondly, our government need to learn how to appreciate our intellectuals, those wey get brain. Some people dey not go school, but what did they fit do with their hand? Nigerian government need to really look into am because some of all these people, someday they never go school, but they sabi engineering work. Nigerian government need to dey encourage these people because such people they be talent, and this kind of stars and talent other countries like Canada, UK, they look for so that they go fit help them grow their economy, also grow their population. Meanwhile, Nigerian government, like what Benin people they just is war. In fact, they not even do it. They say what it concern them, more we even they go safe. If we continue this thing at this rate, in the next before this year 2030, whether they give us a target, so I'm not sure say we will see more youth inside Nigeria again though, because everybody will begin apply to go school for UK so that they go fit start work for them. Well, when let me talk everything. You say chook my put for the matter. How you see the matter? Meanwhile, this is still DJM TV Daily News Update. Don't forget to like and to share this video. Also subscribe to this channel. Follow us on all our social media handles on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram. We did there for DJM TV. And when you not forget, say if you still place your advert with us, and we dey assure you say your advert it go reach the desired market when you want them to reach. Anyways, my name na still Awuru Favour, and this na DJM TV Daily News Update. And I dey tell you to say value wetin you get, because wetin you get na some other people define. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV.